Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to back up Android contacts to Gmail. Backing up your Android contacts to Gmail ensures they are safe and easily accessible from any device. Here's how you can do it. Go to your Android device's settings, scroll to Accounts or Accounts and Backup. Go to Manage Accounts, tap on the Google account you want to use for the backup. Go to Sync Account, ensure the toggle for Sync Contacts is turned on. Now, export contacts to Google account. If your contacts are stored in device or SIM card, you may need to export them to your Google account. Launch the default contacts app on your phone. Hold one of your contact person list, then tap on the three dots in the top right and hit select all. Once it is all highlighted, tap on the share icon, then tap on Gmail. Choose Google account as the destination on the To section. You can write a subject, and once you are done, hit the send button in the top right. By following these steps, you can securely back up your Android contacts to Gmail and keep them accessible anytime. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.